Today, we're making Scallion and Mozzarella Cornbread from Weeknights with Giada by Giada de Laurentiis. We both love cornbread, but we've never tried it with olives in it, so we were intrigued to try this recipe. The author even notes that she doesn't like boring cornbread and likes to use it for stuffing and croutons, especially for Thanksgiving, so we knew this would be a good one. For this recipe, start by finely chopping the scallions. Then, coarsely chop the olives and set aside. Next, beat the eggs in a medium bowl and add the buttermilk. Once combined, add the scallions and the olives. Then add in the cornbread mix and melted butter. And finally, add in the cheese and thoroughly combine until you have a thick, lumpy batter. Bake in a greased and parchment-lined baking dish for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once done, let it cool in the pan before slicing. The great thing about the parchment paper for this recipe is that it allows you to easily remove the cornbread from the baking dish to serve. This cornbread was a surprisingly delicious mix of flavors. While I'm not typically an olive fan, the olives in this are a burst of saltiness that pairs perfectly with the cheese and scallions. We'll definitely be making this dish more now that the weather is changing and it's getting colder outside. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.